Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you with the lesson for private investigations from Straits stroke Mark Knopfler. Okay, this is the arrangement that I did in the preview yesterday, so I'm going to break it down for you now and hopefully it'll make sense to you. Okay, so we're doing it in the same key as the record, so standard tuning, no capos. Okay. So the first chord you need to fret is a straightforward E minor chord, but you need your pinky on the 3rd fret of the top E string. Okay, and what we do is this, the first bit is like, so what am I doing there? So I'm fretting E minor, I'm playing the bottom E string, then the 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, then that pinky on the 3rd fret top E string, then the open top E string. Okay? Okay? Second chord is a B minor with D in the bass, or B minor / D. Okay? So basically it's that shape, fairly straightforward. First finger 2nd fret top E string, 2nd finger 3rd fret B string, 2nd string, and your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string, open 4th string. Okay, and the picking pattern for this is 4, 3, 2. These are string numbers, yeah. So for string 4, string 3, string 2, yeah. 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3, 2. So okay, so it's like so once again 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. Then we do, keeping the same shape, we keep the B minor stroke D there, and we play 4, 3, 2. So now you've got this. Slowly. We do this little bit. So that's a pull off, hammer on, 2nd fret top E string. I'm using my 1st finger. You can use whichever finger you like, but I'm using my 1st finger. So you hit that 2nd on the 1st, pull it off, and then hammer back in again. Okay, and then you go up to the 3rd fret top E string with your 2nd finger. So far we got this. So I'll do that a bit slower for you. The next chord is an A chord with C sharp in the bass, or A/C sharp. Okay, so I'm playing a lazy A, what I call lazy A, barring the 2nd fret of the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings with the 1st finger, and my 3rd finger is going over to the 4th fret on the 5th string, the A string. And the picking on this is so it's 5, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3. Once again, 5, 4, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3. So now we've got this. Slowly. Okay, got that. Now the next chord is a G with B in the bass. So all you need is this shape, not a normal G like that. You don't need the second finger. We're playing the 5 downwards. So the second fret of the 5th string, first finger, top E string, 3rd fret with the 3rd finger. And this one is basically 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straightforward downwards, okay? So now we've got this. Okay, then we just go down to the 2nd fret, or you could play it down to the 2nd fret, top E string with the 2nd finger. Okay, and then we're playing an F chord with A in the bass. Straightforward, simple F chord, you all love and hate, with the open 5th string. So after you do that G, down to the 2nd fret top E string, then we play the F with A in the bass, starting with the 5th string, all the way down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then back to the 2nd string. Right? All the way down and then back to the 2nd string. So let's get that far. Okay, so let's do that very slowly together, hopefully. Right from the beginning, really slowly. Okay, and that I will leave with you. Okay, at that point I'm going to stop it there, and we'll carry on with another lesson, lesson number 3 in the series. Okay, so that will come tomorrow. Okay, so we're about halfway through the riff sequence. Okay, and it gets a little bit tricky from now on, but hopefully you'll get that fairly quickly, and we can move on to the second part of this, the main chord riff. Thanks very much for watching, listening. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson tomorrow. Bye for now.